we're heading towards the Belgravia in Bloom event, and we're starting off at Markham Street, and then we're just going to loop around all the way back because there are two parallel streets next to each other, so we're just going to do everything. This is my outfit for today. Let's start walking the trail. The theme for this year is fun and games, so this is snakes and ladders. These are all real flowers, and they just put a fox on a playing card. Hopefully a good quote. It takes a while. Okay, let's go. It's not stopping. We've now reached Elizabeth Street, and there are definitely way more flowers here, and they just look so beautiful. This is like one of my favorite grocery shops, and they have like the cute playing cards outside. This is Bailey and Sage. I'm gonna head into Newson's Yard right now, and it's also part of it, I think. I guess it's just this for now here. There's nothing in Newson's Yard. I think you can give this place a miss, but there's one installation right here. Just one. Can you buy me lots of flowers? There's Eccleston Yacht up there. Let's go. I mean, if anything, these are a lot of places that we actually haven't been before. So even if there are no flower installations, it's nice for us to discover new places. Thank you. We're at Morinoya today. Hi. Can we get one karaage, one chicken katsu curry, and then one ocean sashimi set? I would definitely recommend getting the curry here. I think that's the best. And also the portions are very generous. So you get like a really big bowl like that. And the katsu curry is just good. I mean, I'm just sharing one because we had a big starter. But yes, katsu curry here is a must. Look how juicy this looks. We have chicken katsu and also ebi katsu. And I've tried the ebi katsu before, and that's also really good. I mean, it's also super crunchy. Hello everybody! We are on our way to the Design Museum in Kensington, and I think it's located just at the edge of Holland Park. It's a beautiful day today, but I'm still not awake. The sun is out, there's blue skies. Let's go! We're done with the museum, and we're gonna go grab a coffee at La Bakery. I think it's so bad. I feel like coffee's a drug to me now. I feel so tired. Then the minute I had one sip, I was like... It's literally raining like crazy here, but look, it's blue skies right there. Welcome to England! Good morning everybody. Well, actually it's afternoon, but we're going to be heading to Japes today to have some deep dish pizza. I've never had it before. I think I'll probably feel a little bit sick after one slice, but let's try it out anyways. And I'm meeting my sister there, and I'm excited. Yeah, I think we're gonna get one London style and then one Chicago style. This crust is so much thicker. and try the London style one. I mean, all of it just has an insane amount of cheese. This one has like a, not as a deep crust, but looks pretty much the same. Overall, the food here is good, but I probably can only eat one slice. That's just too much cheese. It's good though. I would say it's yummy. It's just a bit too much. I don't know how people eat a whole pizza to themselves. We are now heading to Hackney Bridge for a food festival, and it's a TimeOut thing. It was £15 and we get 6 dishes. So let's go check it out. So you get this wristband and you use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for each of the stalls. We have the Lahore curry. Pretty good. Truffle hash browns from Excellent. I feel like the sauce overpowers the truffle quite a lot. Have you had this?
It's nice, it's hot.
Isn't it good when it's hot?
Yeah, but my mouth is so burning from the chili. Eat the chili.
I will.
Suffer with me.
I will. And halloumi fries. Oh. Actually so much food for £15. We got the margarita from Tia Lucia. The pizza doesn't really have a crispy base, but maybe it's just because they're like rushing to cook it and stuff. The bread itself is really good, very soft. This is the Hong Kong Taco French toast. And it's so generous, like half of the normal portion. It's like stuffed with peanut butter, 2 thick slices of bread, butter on top, and just drenched with condensed milk. It's good, but I think the ones in the store are slightly better. Lastly, we have acai, and it comes with granola, banana, strawberries. And it's the best way to finish up because it's really hot. Although, too much granola, not enough acai.
We have an extra ticket.
Oh yeah. I'm surprised that the portions were pretty generous actually. It was worth it. And now we're just going to be exploring Hackney Wick a little bit because we barely ever come round down this area. We're probably going to grab some coffee, so I'll see you guys there. I feel like I needed this coffee. You like my lashes? my vlog. Good morning everybody, it's a beautiful day in London, so let's head out for some lunch. We're at Project 60 now for some coffee. Can I get one skinny latte and then one matcha latte, please?
Yeah, is that for here or is it
For here.
We've only got semi-skins, is that right?
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. I love the interior of this cafe.
welcome to my workshop, the Fabulous Step.
Moment of fame. That's mine.
It's something that's always done, but